G'day everyone, BAsian Dad here. We're going to do the unboxing of this Sabrent Rocket Xtrm-Q external hard drive. Now this is a USB-C hard drive. It's also a Thunderbolt hard drive and can change itself to a USB 3.2 Gen 2 hard drive as well. So it's kind of neat. Now I actually got this for my testers for my port replicators, docking stations, and we're going to just test out the actual Thunderbolt 3 ports or USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, as well as the laptops that actually have this as well. So I kind of got this for my future testers, and it's really nice that I bought this off Amazon, and it also comes with I think is an external case for this, so it's more like make it rubberized. It's kind of nice. That's kind of nice. So we'll just do an unboxing of this, and you know, as always, I've got my good old trusty knife. Let's do that, and let's have a look. Now, it's quite nice boxing. It's got a bit of weight to there, that's for sure. So I'm just going to turn right out around here. Oh, that was a close one, wasn't it? Hopefully that's giving it a bit of. There we go. We've got that off there. So let's have a look. We'll go through there. All the way through. Yep, awesome. Plastic wrap in here. Chuck that away. Oh, it's a very nice box, I've got to say. So take that away. Now, this is a very, very fast hard drive. That's why I know that, because that's why I wanted to actually find out from this. Now, this is only a 1 terabyte one, because that's all I really need, because it's really just to test out the speeds of these ports. That's the reason why I only got the 1 terabyte ones. But they're good. These are good for content creation as well. So I might end up using that as well. So let's open it. What do we got? Got a nice little says, spread the love. Okay, I'll spread that away. And a nice little some sort of manual how to actually install it, just to double check it. Meh. Oh, very fancy. Here we go. And the hard drive itself. I'm just going to try and take it out. Oh no, that's really stuck in there, isn't it? Oh, there we go. Oh, it's got a little bit of weight to it there as well too. It's got a really nice feel weight. Let's take that out. Oh, there we go. And oh, got a nice aluminium feel to it, and it's got some nice rubber bits at the bottom as well, so you can't really. And then we've got the serial number as well. Very nice. I can see it's Thunderbolt, and there's only one port, of course, which is the USB-C port, and that's for that. So that's really nice. This is a nice case too, as well. Too, I've got to must admit. Chuck it right down here. Let's put this, take this out, and let's have a look at what we've got here. What's in this box? Oh, comes with it. Oh, and that's pretty much all there is. Chuck that away. Okay, so what do we have? We've got, let's get these things open, and I can see this is a USB type A port to a USB-C port, which is great, so I can change that up to use for other nice normal computers. And then we've got the good old USB-C to USB-C port, so that's for Thunderbolt. And just from the thick of this cable, it is very well built. Fantastic, I love it. And I'm just going to bring this thing out here as well too, just to see what they've given me. It's a nice little case, I've got to say. It's got a very nice rubber case. Even got Sabrent at the bottom as well too. Nice it is, probably for it. I'm going to try and find the actual case on this side. Take it, slip it in here. There we go. Very nice. And you can chuck this around. That's got a very nice feel to it. And then you can then just plug this in. Nice good slot. Very good. I like it. If you enjoyed this video, or even just support my channel, smack that like button for me. And if you haven't done already, subscribe my channel by hitting that subscribe button bottom of the screen. I try upload a new video every week. And just remember, imperfections in life makes it beautiful and interesting. I'll see you next video.